they're managed by Emery Ando and Dr. Ando. Dial Pharmacy and General Merchandise, Bacolod. Full House Halo Snacks, owned and
it's a celebration.
Welcome to the Malinis and Masaganang Kalagatan, Grand Capital Municipality of Lanao del Norte, Bacolod!
Bacolod is home to a breathtaking waterfall, Pagdayuan Falls. This waterfall is presently undergoing construction for an 11.9 megawatt hydroelectric power plant project of the Ilianan Hydroelectric Power Corporation, which will soon provide electricity to not only Bacolod but as well as its neighboring municipalities. Akla Falls, located in Barangay Gumarao. It is a representational mini waterfall that symbolizes the peaceful and harmonious relationship of the Muslims and Christians within the municipality. The municipality is proud of its historical past, and to the people outside, this town was not spared by the insatiable appetite for conquest by the Spanish conquistadores. They have constructed a fort, Fort Almonte, in Barrio Layangan, now Layangan East. It is a repertoire of the Spaniards during World War II and the only historical tourist attraction in the province of Lanao del Norte. There is a flock of swiftlets Sayao living in a privately owned house, which was later called Balay sa Sayao or House of Swiftlets. It was widely celebrated in the municipality that it was featured by the national media, ABS-CBN, for a Sunday show radio play. Just a few steps from Balay sa Sayao is Bungi Cave. It is a cave with 2 chambers, home to the leaf-nosed bats from which it derives its name, Bungi in local dialect. Pasay Taytay is a local lumber connecting 2 coastal forests in the municipality's urban barangay, Poblacion. The currently known word Pasig was derived from the 2 famously known names of Purok-Fayan and Purok-6, Pangalan and Silang. In 2019, Bacolod was hailed as the grand champion of the search for the 2019 Malinis at Masaganang Karapitan MMK, a program of the Department of Agriculture, Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. Truly, Bacolod, Lanao del Norte is committed to achieving sustainable integrated development linked to address the kinaiyahan towards a progressive eco-champion municipality. At dahil pagsilak Bacolod. Kahit naman ang laki at pinagmulan, tayo ay pinagpumiresili at kailangan sabay na sumaya patungo sa kaunlaran at pagkakaisa ng sambayanan. Umiyong malayangin sa'yo ng walura na pumalaya kung mayroon ang pagkakasalan.
Pwede sa sinangyan, hanap ng puso sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Upang hinirang, huyan ka na magiging sa manlupi. Di ka pasisiin sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong buhaw. May nilalang tuglang awit sa paglayong minamahal. Ang kisnap ng watawag mo'y tagumpay na naglilingling. Ang tuwing na araw niya kailan pa may magdidilim. Lupa ng araw na walhati pagsita, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya na pag may makaapi, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Dili ka lang. Hindi ka lang mo ka. Dili ka.
Some days we forget to look around us. Some days we can see the joy that surrounds us. So caught up inside ourselves, we take when we should give. So for tonight, we pray for what we know can be. And on this day, we hope for what we still can't see. It's up to us to be the change. And even though we all can still do more, there's so much to be thankful for. Look beyond ourselves. There's so much sorrow. It's way too late to say I'll cry tomorrow. Each of us must find our truth. We're so overdue. For tonight, we pray for what we know can be. And on this day, we hope for what we still can see. It's up to us to be the change. And even though we all can still do more, there's so much to be thankful for. Even with our differences, there is a place we're all connected. Each of us can find each other's love. So for tonight, we pray for what we know can be. And all these days, we hope
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the annual Fiesta celebration of Barangay Minaonoy. Hello! Hi! When I say Maayong Gabi, you will say Happy Fiesta! Maayong Gabi, Minaonoy! Happy Fiesta! If you know Happy Fiesta, you will say Maayong Gabi, alright? So Maayong Gabi, Minaonoy! Happy Fiesta! Viva Señor San Isidro Labrador! Alright, thank you so much for that. Tonight, we have an extraordinary lineup of performances and special guests that promise to make this evening unforgettable. Now, before we dive into the festivities, let's take a moment to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our barangay officials who have worked tirelessly to make this celebration possible. Their dedication and commitment to our community are truly commendable. Thank you so much, our barangay officials, headed by the Punong Barangay, Honorable Norman Hintilis. Our Sangguniang Barangay members, Honorable Clara Isaac, Honorable Eutemio Manuta, Honorable Eliodora Millares, Honorable Ray Marcera, Honorable Jason Arado, Honorable Camilo Haragi, Honorable Sophronia Pingping Marcera, the Committee Chairman on Tourism, Arts, Culture, and Events. Our Barangay Treasurer, Sir Ramiro Maglana, and of course our Barangay Secretary, Ma'am Rowena Tabaranza. Also to the the SK officials of Barangay Minaonoy, headed by the Sangguniang Kabataan Chairperson, Honorable Ariel Bendano, our SK councilors, Honorable Charlene Jane Maglana, Honorable Cedric Marcera, Honorable Wiljan Lagbas, Honorable Carlo Lagbas, Honorable Maeve Anthony Lagbas, Honorable Prince Dale Baay, Honorable Give Brian Bartolata. SK Treasurer, we have Pepe Kate Ditigan, and our SK Secretary, Ken Zaira Abilardo. Let's give them a big round of applause, please. And of course, thank you so much sa mga visitors for gracing our events tonight. And also to the Minaonoy teaching force, thank you so much. The SB members in attendance, no karon. Honorable, nakita na ko kaganina, we have here Honorable Lori Antario. Thank you so much. Honorable David Alex Arenues. And of course, our stage director, Honorable Mark Patenio. No, sa mga wala, nakita na ko. And of course, our ever-dynamic Vice Mayor of Bacolod, Honorable Attorney Alphonse Johnson Marcera. Let's give them a big round of applause, please. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to have with us a very special guest, none other than the talented singer behind the hit song, Celos. Isa ba'y nakabalog kanta ng Celos? Kabalog ba mo kanta ang tanan? And of course, our LNB, no? Honorable Jalila Haji Manan, ma'am. Thank you so much. Kisa na pa mo kanta ng Celos? Kabalog ba mo kanta ang tanan? Hello! Sabi mo na ako daw po, kinsa ka ba lumukanta ng Celos? No? Alright. No, okay, mangita tag mga batan po. Alright. Akamalo ka ng Celos, ma'am? Okay, wala. Mangita ta ni LMB, kabalo ka ng Celos? Pero kailan ka ni Shaira? Kailan ka? O di ka kabalo ka sa Celos. So magita gid ko ali kinsa ni kabalo ka. Kani first part lang. Sa mo na? Sa okay, kani ang anak ni Vice. No, mga kwanti kayo ni mga limang ni Vice Mayor, no? Talented singers, but kabalo mo kanta si Vice? Before ko sa anak ito, tang Vice Mayor. Alright. Hi Vice, good evening. Mayang gabi, Minaolon. Vice, kabalo ba kailan ba ka ni Shaira? Kailan? Kabalo ka makanta sa selos. Okay, enough. Ayan, mas ayaw dahil niya. Kinsa may, hi! Akaila ko aning bata. Okay, kinsa may kanta ng selos. Dapat lagi mo kanta kayo ganan. Si Shaira mo kanta unya.
Okay, kasi ka ba mo kanta sa first part lang?
Ikaw good. Sige, kaninong anak natin Ping-Ping. Sa tuwing, tunay po po ninyo, kanina po kabaluan na, nakikapin sa tuwing nakikita ko na sakto ba? Sa tuwing, ikaw gawin na. Dito siya kabalo. No, so dapat excited gina ang tanang makakita ni Shaira. No, kay I know, no, nga naghatag tag time para makita ang atong special guest for tonight. Alright? Ay, ang mga teacher. Alright, nadaw din. Hi, ma'am, pangalan? Pangalan, ma'am? Ay mo pagpangaulang ni Ma'am Melky. O, lagi, maista diyan mo dapat kabalo. Pangalan, ma'am?
Chorus lang ha.
Ma'am Chorus? Sabi na kung pangalan mo, Ma'am Chorus. Okay, wala nagkakuan. Pangalan?
Christy.
Ma'am Christy, okay. Kantahan daw ang chorus, ma'am. Kaya may gabi, may nakalawan! Okay, chorus na nga. Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo. Wala pa rin memorize. No, ayaw na kamusayaw niya. Okay? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, but before Shaira graces our beautiful stage, let's hear first to the message of our ever dynamic and active Vice Mayor of Bacolod, Honorable Attorney Alphonse Johnson Marcera.